Hi cuties, good morning to all. Today I am going to take a topic is EVS. UKG students is promoted to first standard. First standard students listen the entire class. Don't skip the video. Now lockdown period. So I am coming with your home by online video. You are a young cuties. So first I start by a song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 senses, 5 senses, 5 sense organs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 senses, 5 senses, 5 sense organs. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. I can taste with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue. I can feel with my skin. I can feel with my skin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 senses, 5 senses, 5 sense organs. Okay cuties, did you know that? Today I am going to take a topic is our body and sense organs. Our body. Our body is the wonderful, amazing machines in the world. We are having many parts, our body. Each and every parts of our body doing some work. Okay students, see the picture. This is our body. What is this? Top bottom of this? Head. And top black color is hair. What is this? This is our eye. What is this? This is our nose. And what is this? This is our mouth. And what is this? This is our chest. See the chest. And what is this? This is our arms. This is arms. And next, what is this? This is hand. What is this part? This is neck. What is this part? This is ear part. Next, what is this? This is leg part. And what is this? What is this? This is toes. This is our body. Our body is doing many work. How do you know what is happening around us? Yeah, our body has doing many work. So, sense organs are very important. How many sense organs we have? Already we know the song, Already I sing the song. How many sense organs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? Yeah, 5 sense organs. What are the 5 senses? Senses. First one is smell. Second one is sight. Third one is hearing. Fourth one is taste. Fifth one is touch. Now I write on the board. First one is sight. Second one is smell. Third one is hearing. Fourth one is taste. Fifth one is touch. These are 5 senses. These are senses. 5 parts of our body help us to senses. These are, first one is sight. Eye. Smell. that is nose. Hearing, ear. Taste, tongue. Last one is touch, that is skin. So, our body has 5 senses, then 5 sense organs. What are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, nose, ear, tongue, then skin. Okay students, now we elaborate the each and every parts in detail. Okay students, see the sense organs. What is the function of sense organs? First one is eye. Eyes which help us to see. All human beings daily we are seeing many things around the world. For example, we are seeing outside, wow, this is beautiful flower. See next, wow, today good film, colorful film, we are saying like that. This is big size, this is small size. So, we can easily find out the things. How can you find out? This is one of the sense organ, eyes. That eyes help us to see. Can you understand the meaning? Can you understood? Second one is sense of taste, that is tongue. Tongue which help us to taste. Daily we are eating very delicious food. Your mother will be prepared. Biryani, wow, super. Ice cream, sweet. Bitter gourd, wow, bitter taste. Your mother, today prepared anyone rice, salt added, more salt added. So immediately you say, Mummy, what is this? Over salty the food. You are saying like that. How can you find out? Yeah, your tongue find out the taste. So, your tongue has taste buds. The taste buds find out the taste easily. What are the 5 tastes? First one is bitter. Second one is sweet. Third one is sour. Fourth one is pungent. Fifth one is salty. Okay. So, these taste already we are analyzed. So, our tongue is help us to taste. Can you understood? Next, third one is sense of touch. This is our skin. Touch. For example, you are touching that hot vessels. We are like that. Next, soft. This is soft thing. So immediately we can touch the thing. For example, birthday cake. We touch the cake. Wow, this is very soft. Saying like that, So, our skin help us to touch anything. For example, we are, soft thing or hot thing or this is blunt or sharp thing, anything. Our skin is help us to feel. We can feel the thing. Then next one is sense of smell. Smell. Which part? Which sense organs which help us to smell? That is nose. Nose is simple, help us to smell. We are, daily, we are using, your mother used joysticks. Wow, fantastic smell. We are, analyzed good smell, bad smell. So, how can you identify that? That is nose. And very important that the nose can breathe. So, we are living in the world. Without nose or without air, we can't live because our nose can breathe. Last one is sense of sound. Okay, we can hear many more songs, musics. Different types of songs we learn. Fast Ghana song. Do you like Ghana song? Do you like cine songs? Every musics we can hear our ears. So our ears help us to hearing. We learn 5 sense organs today. First one is eyes, sense of sight. Second one is tongue, sense of taste. Third one is skin, sense of touch. Fourth one is nose, sense of smell. And last one is ears, sense of sound. So today I remember the points. Today we learn one topic. Our first one is our body and second one is sense organs. So dear students, you all go through the lesson and I send you worksheet by WhatsApp. So please read the question and write the answers and reply it. Thank you, students.